Aging is an inevitable part of life, but the way we age can be influenced by our lifestyle choices, especially our diet. The foods we consume play a crucial role in determining how gracefully we age. By incorporating nutrient-rich and antioxidant-packed foods into our daily meals, we can promote cellular health, boost collagen production, and fend off the signs of aging. Here are the top 7 foods that act as the keys to unlocking the fountain of youth. 1. Berries, nature's antioxidant powerhouses. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins and quercetin. These compounds help neutralize free radicals, which are unstable molecules that contribute to aging and various diseases. Berries also support brain health and may help improve memory, a common concern as we age. 2. Fatty fish, omega-3 for radiant skin and healthy joints. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, promoting supple and radiant skin. Omega-3s also support joint health, reducing the risk of arthritis and enhancing mobility as we age. 3. Leafy greens, a nutrient-rich elixir for aging gracefully. Dark, leafy greens like kale, spinach, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and fiber. These nutrients contribute to healthy skin, strong bones, and improved digestion. The high levels of antioxidants in greens also protect against oxidative stress, a major contributor to aging. 4. Nuts and seeds, nature's anti-aging snack. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are rich in essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. They provide a powerful combination of antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, promoting heart health, reducing inflammation, and supporting skin elasticity. 5. Turmeric, the golden spice of anti-aging. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Regular consumption of turmeric may help protect against age-related diseases, improve cognitive function, and maintain joint health. Consider adding a sprinkle of turmeric to your dishes or enjoying a warm cup of turmeric tea. 6. Green tea, sip your way to youthful vitality. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, particularly catechins, which have powerful antioxidant properties. These compounds may help protect the skin from sun damage, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and boost metabolism. Swap out your regular cup of coffee for green tea to enjoy its anti-aging benefits. 7. Yogurt, probiotics for gut health and ageless beauty. Probiotics, found in yogurt and other fermented foods, promote a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced gut microbiome is linked to improved digestion, nutrient absorption, and a strengthened immune system. These factors are essential for overall well-being and can contribute to a more youthful appearance. While we can't turn back the clock, we can certainly embrace a diet rich in these anti-aging superfoods to support our health and well-being as we age. By making mindful choices about what we eat, we can nourish our bodies from the inside out and pave the way for a more vibrant, energetic, and age-defying life. So, unlock the potential of these 7 foods and savor the journey to a more youthful you.